So here we go, part 2 of my review. I've been getting a lot of questions in regards to how far I went on cutting the front fenders, and I'm actually going to show you right here. I was told, "Ed, do you have any pictures?" I didn't, but what I did was I just removed it just to show you guys how I did it. I actually went like 1 inch up and I went all the way around right there. Obviously the clip as well, I had to cut the clip. I have this one right here. That's the bottom piece, goes right there, which I'll be putting it together right now in a few. But yes, this is actually what I meant when I said I had to cut the front fender. I'm sorry, the front fender. And obviously I'm gonna be putting it back together, so I'll be showing you that as well. Just stick around. Alright guys, on this one right here, putting this double-sided tape, if you can see right here, this line, and just to use it as reference to put obviously the tape. But what I did though, I actually don't use it as reference. What I do is the tape, I leave it a little bit higher, as you can see right here. It's gonna be, oh, focus, little focus, there you go, right there. Because if I use the actual line, then the tape is gonna disappear, and that's not good. So just want to leave it right here. Oh my gosh. And then tape right there, and so on until you get all the way over there. Alright, so the finished product right here, like I said, taped all the way around. And I know this one is 1 inch, it's a little thicker, but it doesn't make any difference because the extra is just sitting right here. It's not actually touching the vehicle. So you can either go for that 1 inch 3M double-sided tape or the 1/2 inch. Doesn't make a difference. So let's go and install it now. Alright guys, so the fender flare is back on the vehicle, and I hope this video helped you guys understand what I meant on my first video. Just here, a closer look all the way up. And I know a lot of people kept bringing up that the part right here comes off after a while. I haven't had that issue yet, and I've had these flares on since March. And I know you might think like, oh, you just installed this like right now. Well, let me show you the other part on the other side. I've actually had this one on since March, and still no issues. It's still holding strong. So thank you guys for tuning in, and just stick around for future videos. And if you want to support the channel, just subscribe. And see you guys on the next one.